This is Terry with TC Tech, and today we're going to clean this coffee stained cup. It's not too bad, but let me show you how that's done. First, we're going to fill it with some hot water from my water tank. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oxygen-based cleaner and give that a stir. And I recommend using unscented oxygen-based cleaner or an OxyClean. And now we're going to let that sit for 1 hour. Alright, it has now been 1 hour, and I'm just going to brush the sides a little bit with an old toothbrush. Let's see how clean it is. Look at that. Rinse it out good, and there you go. This looks fantastic. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get some oxygen-based cleaner. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.